Jen's trying to get rid of the hiccups. The Mexican trick, you hold your nose for a minute. You're not supposed to like laughing, baby. This is a serious thing. Are they gone?
Oh my god, did it work? I think it works.
You're amazing.